In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a lesson a free preview in Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to spotlight a single lesson so potential students can sample your content before enrolling. This is a great way to build trust, demonstrate value, and increase conversions without unlocking your entire course. Start by heading to your Teachable admin dashboard. From there, click on Courses and choose the specific course you want to work with. Once you're inside that course, open the Curriculum tab. This is where all of your sections and lessons live, and it's the control center for what students can see. If you manage multiple courses, double-check the course title at the top so you're editing the right one. Next, locate the exact lesson you want to make free. Scroll through your sections or use the search if your course is large. A good preview lesson often introduces the topic, outlines outcomes, or showcases your teaching style in a concise, engaging way. Keep in mind that what you choose here will be the first impression for many visitors, so pick content that's clear and valuable all on its own. When you're ready, look to the right of the lesson title for the More Options icon. It's the small three-dot menu. Click it, then select Set as Public Preview. This action flags that single lesson as accessible to anyone, even if they haven't enrolled or purchased the course. Only that lesson becomes public. The rest of your content remains locked as usual. To confirm it worked, check for the visual indicator next to the lesson. You'll see a small world icon or a note that shows the lesson is marked as public. If you don't immediately see the indicator, give the page a second to update or quickly refresh your browser. That icon is your quick reference that the preview is active. Finally, make sure the lesson itself is published. Look for the checkbox next to the lesson title and verify that it's green. If it isn't, click it to publish. An unpublished lesson won't display as a preview to visitors, even if you've marked it as public, so that green check is essential. That's it. You navigated to your course's curriculum, found the lesson you want to feature, set it as a public preview, confirmed the indicator, and ensured the lesson is published. With that in place, visitors can sample your teaching instantly, helping them feel confident about enrolling in your full course.